arrangements for facilitation, and I will now 17 exchanges throughout the Kashmir Valley had been made functional, resulting in functionality of landline communication. So as we speak, the authorities are on the job of releasing further telephone connections, and by end of day today, we hope that nearly 23,000 landline connections across Kashmir Valley will be made functional. There were relaxations in prohibitory orders in 35 police stations across the Kashmir Valley, including North Kashmir, Central Kashmir, South Kashmir.
Everybody, so हम आपको briefly नहीं बल्कि
There have been 6 to 7 incidents of some disturbances, largely in areas in which relaxations were not given. We also have reports of about 8 injuries, but all the injured are reported to be stable.
which will be carrying around more than 300 Hajis who will be सबको